So let's create this soft gold eyeshadow look. It just beautifully melts into the skin, perfect for any traditional outfits or semi-traditional outfits. And all the products I'm using today are under 500 rupees. So let's start off. So we're going to start with the Mars Dance of Joy eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful brown toned eyeshadow palette, and most of the transition shades in this are more on the pinkier kind of a side. So it does not make your look way too warm, but it kind of keeps it on the neutral side, and it has a beautiful shimmer formulation, and it also has a glitter for that added shine. So we're going to go ahead with the matte brown and use it across the entire lid. The reason why I'm starting with the outer corner is because we want to work on shaping the entire eyeshadow look and creating that beautiful C shape in the outer corner. So that way we have some control about the entire eyeshadow shape. So we're going to go ahead and softly start to blend and add some color on the lid completely. And because we're doing this on a wet concealer, it's going to give you a good intense dark brown base. And then we're going to slowly start to take that into the crease, and make sure that if you are having hooded eyes, you do go a little higher than the crease. That way it's seen once you finish blending it out. Moving on, we're going to use this peachy matte eyeshadow, and we're going to use this as our transition color to buff that brown further into the skin and keeping it looking extremely seamless and very blended. Go in small circular motions as you keep blending it into the skin, and you can also do a little bit of back and front motions to blend it out completely. So once that's done, we're going to use the same dark brown on the lower lash line. Start with the outer side of it, that way there's more intensity there, and start taking that towards your inner corner. So once that's done, we're going to pick up this beautiful champagne gold colored shimmer, and the shimmer formulations in this palette are to die for. They're extremely foiled. It gives you literally no fallout, and it lasts throughout the day without any creasing. So go ahead and pat it all across the lid, a little bit into the crease. That way it looks really well blended without harsh edges. And then I'm going to use this light gold color, and we're going to pop it right in the inner corner. And I'm doing this so that it kind of looks more warmer without giving you that grayness going on. And then I'm going to blend that into the shimmer on the lid. Moving on to the Forever 52 Amazonic Kajal, we're going to tightline the entire lower lash line. That way we can define it completely. I'm not going to be pulling it down or creating this entire smokiness going on. This is just to define the eyes, and we're going to softly smudge it a little bit into the brown. That way those two look kind of connected together, but we're not doing anything too intense, just to keep it very, very daytime friendly and also beginner friendly. Jumping ahead to the RENEE Everyday Eyeliner, we're going to pick up this eyeliner to create our liner. This is a matte eyeliner, and this is just perfect. It comes with a brush inbuilt, and it's just super easy, very convenient for beginners too. So we're going to go ahead and softly line the eyes. No wing or anything, it's just a simple liner, but make sure it is coming till the outer corner. That way it is going to connect and give you that continuity with the kajal, which we did in the previous step. Keep it thinner in the inner corner as well when you're doing it. Go ahead with a little bit of kajal in the outer corner. That way we can smudge it out, and it gives you that little haziness, which is ideal, especially if you have wrinkles in the outer corner, because it's not going to show you any of those lines, and it's just going to look really smooth, and it's going to add that tiny bit of lift and smokiness. So jumping ahead, we're going to use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, one of my most favorite mascaras. It's something I use in literally all of my videos. Gonna go ahead with this one, and this is especially something which I love because of the wand by itself. It's just perfect to separate your lashes as you keep going ahead and coating in multiple layers. So we're gonna do about a good 2 layers of mascara. Start from the outer corner, go all the way till the inner corner, and the wand is very, very small, which makes it absolutely perfect for someone who has small eyes or hooded eyes. So moving on, we're going to use the Mars False Lashes. These are extremely affordable, and it looks super natural as well, not those plasticky type. It has a really nice, beautiful flare, and it's a little extended on the outer side, which is going to give you that lift and cat eye effect. So we're going to go ahead and secure this on the lid. They're super lightweight, which is going to keep it completely perfect and beginner friendly too. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's one of my most go-to looks when it comes to any weddings or any kind of events that I have to attend to, temple visits, all that kind of ones. It's just one of the most perfect ones, and the products I've used are also extremely affordable and easily accessible too. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. All the product names and the links with the shades are given for you in the description bar below. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye-bye.